Hello, I'm Nicholas Yates. This screencast video is one within a series of how to use Adobe Connect. Please see my YouTube playlist for more videos on using Adobe Connect in online learning. Thanks. This is an instructional video to show you how to get an Adobe Connect room and link it to your ZU University Blackboard course. So, the first thing is to navigate to the website zu.adobeconnect.com. Once you do this, you'll need to log in with your username and password. Your username and password is not your ZU University username and password. You should have received your username and password from myself or the Grad Studies Coordinator. From here, you'll need to create a meeting. Over on the right hand side, you'll see the button and create meeting. Firstly, give your meeting room a name. If you wish, you can give it a custom URL, but it's not necessary. The important option on this page is to keep this one clicked by default. That forces all students to log in as a guest. They'll just be simply asked for their name. But it also makes sure that you, the faculty member, can log on as host or instructor of the session. This ensures that the session gets started and that you have all host privileges. If you scroll down, you can click Finish, or I'll show you the next option. Here you'll see a list of faculty who have admin rights for the zu.adobeconnect.com website. These are all your colleagues. Should you wish to give your colleagues access to your room as host, you can simply click on their name and click Add. If this is not needed, then click Next. Within this Adobe Connect website, you can send invitations to all hosts, presenters, and participants. However, this isn't necessary. So go ahead and click Finish. It is on this screen that I see that I've set up my room. This room will be open for the duration of the semester. Please go ahead and right-click to copy the link address. Then go to your Blackboard Learn course page. On this page, we're going to create a link that sits just here so that you and students can click on this link each time you need to launch an Adobe Connect online classroom. Move your mouse over the plus button and click Web Link. Give it a name. And in the next box, right-click and paste in the website address that you just copied before. Click Available to Users, click Submit. My link has now been placed here, and as can be seen, I open it and it starts to open the application for me. If you haven't downloaded the application yet, then you may see this one and you can download the Adobe Connect application. As a host of the session, you need to have the application downloaded to your Mac or PC. Students don't necessarily need the application. They can log on through their website browser. Google Chrome is best for this. However, it is best if students have the app as well, so they can download it and open and log in as guests to your online session. Thanks for viewing this video. Please leave a comment or email me for any follow-up questions. Depending on your browser or future updates, the layout of Adobe Connect may be slightly different, yet I hope the functions remain the same. Please see my YouTube playlist for other Adobe Connect screencast videos. Have a great day!